Hello and welcome to our channel. Here learning is fun and exciting. We explore stories and lessons that help children grow curious and confident. Join us on this adventure and let's learn together. Conversation between teacher and children. Good morning everyone. Did you all sleep well?
Morning, teacher. Yes.
Wonderful. Today we are going to learn about animals. Can anyone tell me the name of any animal that lives in the jungle?
Tiger.
Excellent. That's right. Tigers are strong and fast. Can you tell me which animal that lives in the water?
Fish.
Perfect answer. Fish breathe through gills and swim with fins. You may wonder what is meant by gills and fins. Fish have gills instead of lungs. Gills take oxygen from water, and fins help them to swim in the water. Now, who can tell me any animal that gives us milk?
Cow.
Very good. Cows gives us milk, which we drink to grow strong. Let's play a quick game. I will describe an animal and you guess. Are you ready?
Ready.
This animal has a long trunk, big ears, and is very strong.
Elephant.
Correct. You are all doing so well. And welcome to our channel. Here learning is fun and exciting. We explore stories and lessons that help children grow curious and confident. Join us on this adventure and let's learn together. In today's video, we are going to learn conversation between a teacher and students. In this video, we have a funniest conversation too. It helps children or teachers to communicate with each other. Let's start it.
Shubhodayam.
Good morning.
Shubhodayam, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
నీ పేరేమిటి?
What is your name?
నా పేరు రాజు.
My name is Raju.
నువ్వు ఎక్కడికి నుండి వచ్చావు?
Where are you from?
నేను విజయవాడ నుంచి వచ్చాను.
I am from Vijayawada.
నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తావు?
What do you do?
నేను విద్యార్థిని.
I am a student.
నువ్వు ఏం చదువుతున్నావు?
What are you studying?
నేను డిగ్రీ చదువుతున్నాను.
I am studying degree.
నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు లేస్తావు?
When do you wake up?
నేను ఉదయం 6 గంటలకు లేస్తాను.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
ఉదయం ఏం చేస్తావు?
What do you do in the morning?
నేను బ్రష్ చేసుకుని చదువుతాను.
I brush my teeth and study.
నువ్వు ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడగలవా?
Can you speak English?
అవును, కొంచెం మాట్లాడగలను.
Yes, I can speak a little.
చాలా బాగుంది. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయు.
Very good. Keep practicing.
ధన్యవాదాలు టీచర్.
Thank you, teacher. Second conversation. It is the funniest role play between teacher and a lazy student.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Why are you late?
Sorry, teacher. My alarm did not ring.
Really?
Yes, teacher. Even my eyes did not open.
Did you do your homework?
No, teacher.
Why?
My pen stopped working and my brain also stopped.
I'll ask one question. What is 2 plus 2?
5, teacher.
What?
Sorry, teacher. I added extra confidence.
Can you speak English?
Yes, teacher, I can speak, but English runs away.
Don't worry, we will catch it.
Okay, teacher, let's catch English. Thank you for supporting us and subscribe for our channel.